here because mas maraming ang nangailangan sa mga regions na yon. But of course, ang eventual intention nitong programa nito, once we sort out all the issues logistically and para makita talaga how to operate it, and launch it and manage it, nationwide to eventually. Sa ngayon, ang iniisip, dalawang template, isang 5 kilos per week per family and another one will be 10 kilos per week. So kanina sa ngayon parang napagkasunduan in essence is 10 kilos per week. So 40 kilos per month. This program, the President has actually given the directive. No? Initially, itong program ng DA was supposed to last for until December. And pwede pang stretch yan hanggang February. But our President has given the directive to the Department of Agriculture to formulate this to be sustainable and ituloy-tuloy hanggang 2028. Ngayon lang natin i-launch ito. Kaya nag-meeting today. It's because yun nga, medyo mas pangit sabihin but mas kailangan ng tao dito. Tsaka may mga stocks din tayo dito lalo na sa Iloilo. Marami tayong stocks doon para ma-release din yung mga stocks doon. Then we have to also move out stocks from other areas kasi the other factor na kailangan din namin gawin ito sa DA is because of talagang punong-puno pa rin ang warehouses ng DA ng bigas at palay. Yes. As mentioned before, meron tayong 358,000. Dati 300,000 tons pa lang ang stocks natin eh. Ngayon 358 na because harvest season. So marami rin talaga yung stocks natin of palay and rice, no, and the rice equivalent. So we really have to move out and dispose. That's also the other factor.
We will accommodate only one last question.
Well, yung sa computation namin, depende sa run rate, ano? Anywhere from 3.5 to 4.5 billion on the half on the part of the national government. Yes.
So with that, we thank you very much. Any closing statement, Secretary?
Well, just to say because some people might ask. Actually, matagal na namin pinag-iisipan to, no? Because as you know, ever since I came into office, that was the basic question. Can we give 20 peso rice to the masses? At that time, I always answered that it is an aspiration of this administration. And so it was always on our mind. The DA team has been working day and night on how to bring this to reality. And maraming steps kailangan para mangyari ito, no? At kasama na rin dun at of course hindi rin magawa ito last year dahil ang world prices ng bigas is at 15-year high, no? So ngayon na bumaba ang world market prices, mas magaang na yung subsidy nito. So we're hoping na ang mga LGUs ay mag-participate at maging successful itong programa ito para makinabang ating mamamayan sa mas murang bigas. Thank you.